you are looking for an alternative to traditional banks, you must have find many options online. Okay, then I'm going to tell you that most of them, they are convenient to use and they have a very low fees, and mostly they have a global access and are usually faster and easy to use. And I hope we have heard about this that we call Revolut. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about what is Revolut and why do people use Revolut. And I'm also going to tell you that if it is possible for you to transfer money from your Revolut to your bank account directly. This is an online banking that offer a banking service through an application-based platform. They also have MasterCard or even Visual Card. You can also do currency exchange on it, as well cryptocurrency exchange for those that are into cryptos. Opening an online account with Revolut not only making an account convenient, but it allows customers to personalize their banking preferences, set up automatic payments, and receive personalized recommendation. All of this without ever stepping their foot in a physical bank. Another benefit of using Revolut are the fee-free card spending overseas and easy and low cost of overseas banking transfer. Yes, the answer is capital yes. You can transfer money from your Revolut account, which is your online account, to your local bank account. I am going to make a special video for that whenever I am ready to transfer money from this account. It's very simple. So let me show you how to open this account. Click on the link in the description below. It will take you directly to where you are going to start the process. Once you get here, you choose your country and then you put your phone number, and as well you click on get started. Then it take you to your Apple Store or your Play Store to download this application to your phone. Then click on open. Then you have to re-enter your phone number and then click on create account. Then this will pop up. Is this number correct? We will send you a confirmation code. The next thing is you click on confirm. After you click on confirm, you are going to receive this code, and then you have to make sure that you put this code in the box below to verify your number. After you have verified your number, you choose your country of residence, which my own is France. Choose your own country and then click on sign up securely. After that, you put your email and then you click on continue. If you want, you can check this. If you like, you don't check it. And then you click on continue. Then they will ask you to create a password, which is going to be a 6 number. Then that is personal. You have to create your password. After, they will ask you to put your name. Make sure that it is the name that is in your official ID that you are going to verify. Your first name, your second name. After then, you click on continue. Then you have to put your date of birth, the date, the month, and the year. Then you click on continue. Then you are going to put your home address as well. Make sure you put a correct home address in case you want to order for your physical card. Then the next question is going to be putting your annual income. Generally, I choose this less than 25,000 per annum. Then you have to click on accept and continue. So they are going to ask you this question: are you a citizen of France? That is depending on which country you choose. If it's the country where you are a citizen of, you choose yes. If not, you choose no. Whereas I'm not a citizen of France, so I'm going to choose no. After that, you will now select the country of your citizenship, which mine is Nigeria. Then it will now take you to where you should pick a document in which you are going to use to verify your identity. Mine is my resident permit, and later I will now click on continue. As you are continue, they are going to need your permission to take your photo, your video of yourself, in order to be able to cross-check whether you are a real person. Then after, you click on agree and continue. So this box will come out for you to position your ID card and then verify it. They will scan it. After they have verified both your front and back ID, then they are going to do a video of yourself. After you have made sure that the video, your face is inside the video, then you click on start recording. Then you have to put enable microphone. So the next question is going to be, France, is it your sole tax resident? If you are generating income everywhere, maybe you say no or yes, but for me it's going to be yes. Then I will click on agree and continue. So what do you want to use Revolut for? It is your choice that you should scroll up and down for you to determine what you want to use it for. After you have selected all that you want to use it for, then you click on continue. After that, you have to put what is your nickname, that is the rev tag here. Then you have to put it. Then this is my own, so I put my own. After that, I click on continue. So if you want to allow them to go into your phone and pick your friends that is using Revolut, then it's your personal decision. So for me, I'm not going to allow that, so I click on not now. Get useful ad only, I click on continue. So that this, they say you should get a premium, whereas me, I don't want premium. I don't know what you want to use it for, but for me, I click on not now. So you have the right to pick either physical or visual card. For the beginner, I choose visual card. Later, you have the right to order for your physical card. It depends on where you are. Sometimes physical card is free, sometimes another one is paid. It depends on which one that you select from. So here is my account with 0 naira. So in this process, my identity is still pending. So they are verifying it, and that is all you need to do. After you done this, you have to go back to your email. After everything has been done, you will receive an email. Then you go to your email, and then you have to view and accept the terms and condition. Okay, it's very important. Then you come back to your app by signing into your app with all the necessary things that you have done. Then you have to finish all this setup one by one. It's your choice. Then you keep going. Thank you for watching. My name remains Gani, and this is Grow with Gani. I will see you in my next video. Bye.